Before we begin, let me give you one compelling reason to watch until the very end. Because I'm about to show you how one simple exercise, the kettlebell swing, can help you burn more fat than running, build total body strength, improve your posture, and unleash explosive athletic power. Stay tuned, because in just a few minutes you'll have a step-by-step breakdown so you can master it yourself and start seeing results today. Let's talk about the real power behind the kettlebell swing. Every time you swing, you're recruiting your glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, core, back, and shoulders. This isn't just another isolated lift. Your entire posterior chain turns on in perfect harmony, a symphony of power and coordination that delivers a full-body workout in a single, fluid motion. But the benefits don't stop at strength. The kettlebell swing turns strength training into cardio. Each set shoots your heart rate sky high, keeping your system working harder and smarter. Multiple studies show kettlebell swings can torch fat even faster than steady jogging or cycling, all because they merge the best of both worlds, muscular endurance and cardiovascular intensity, together in just seconds per rep. Think about it. While running on a treadmill will wear down your joints and leave you sore, the kettlebell swing builds muscle, burns calories, and keeps your body feeling strong and healthy. And those changes aren't just for show. The strength you gain transfers directly to everyday living. You'll notice the difference carrying groceries up the stairs, moving furniture, or handling busy days that never seem to let up. You stand taller, walk prouder, and move with more ease because your core and back are supporting every step. For athletes, it's a game changer. The same explosive hip drive behind a perfect swing translates to higher jumps, faster sprints, and sharper changes of direction. But it's more than just physical power. The rhythmic, hypnotic movement builds an iron focus. Each swing sharpens your coordination and breathing, forging a deep connection between mind and body. The best part is the kettlebell swing meets you wherever you are. Whether you're 16 or 65, a total beginner or a lifelong gym goer, you can adjust the weight, the speed, and the intensity to suit your needs. It's low impact, kind to your joints, and endlessly adaptable. Now let's break down exactly how to do it step by step. Start by planting your feet shoulder width apart, with the kettlebell about a foot in front of you. Hinge at the hips, keeping your back flat, and grip the handle firmly. Begin by pulling the bell back between your legs. Think of how a football player hikes the ball. Keep your core tight. From here, it's all about explosive hips. Snap them forward. Power comes from your glutes and hamstrings, not your arms. Let the bell float naturally up to chest height, keeping your arms relaxed like hooks. Let it swing back between your legs, hinge again, and stay in control throughout. Repeat the movement, syncing your breath. Exhale as you rise, inhale as you reset. From average to athletic, from tired to powerful. The kettlebell swing isn't just an exercise, it's a transformation. Pick up the bell, start swinging, and discover your strongest self. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on new content. It helps the channel a ton.